Today I'm going to show you how to replace one of these outdated Delta shower handle knobs and upgrade it using a genuine Delta trim kit. We're going from Step 1. Turn off water supply. First things first, make sure to shut off your water supply before starting. If your shower has its own shut-off valve, even better. In my case, I had to turn off the water for the entire house. Once it's off, go ahead and release the pressure from the shower by turning the handle on briefly. Step 2. Remove old handle. Now let's remove the old handle. Start by prying off the cover button using a small flathead screwdriver. It should just pop right off. Underneath, you'll see a Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove that while holding the handle steady. With the screw out, the handle should slide off easily. Step 3. Remove trim and internals. Next, we'll loosen the adjusting ring and unscrew the cap assembly. No need to save these parts. The new kit comes with replacements. Now remove the cam and packing. Just pull it straight out. Next, take out the seats and springs from inside the valve body. These also come with new ones in your kit. They should pop right out with a small pick or screwdriver. Step 4. Remove the old trim plate. Now we're going to remove the trim plate. If there's silicone around the edges, cut through that with a utility knife. There are 2 Phillips screws holding the plate in. Remove those. Use a putty knife or multi-tool to gently pry the plate off the wall. Take your time here to avoid damaging the surface. Step 5. Install new parts. First, insert the new springs and rubber seats, just like the originals. Now grab the new trim plate and use the screws that came with it to secure it to the wall. Next, install the new alignment collar to help center everything. This just needs to be hand tight. Now take your new ball assembly, this one's a conversion type, and line up the 4 holes. Make sure the largest hole is at the bottom. Step 6. Install new handle. Finally, let's install the new handle. Slide it over the stem and secure it with the included screw from underneath. Tighten it by hand, no need to overdo it. Step 7. Turn water back on and test. Go ahead and turn your water supply back on. Test the handle to make sure it turns smoothly and there are no leaks. Adjust the temperature, hot to cold, and confirm everything's working as expected. And that's it! You've successfully upgraded your Delta shower handle. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching.